Meaning of footsure.
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 Footsure. Footsure is an adjective used to describe someone who is confident and sure-footed when walking or moving around. This term is often used to refer to athletes or dancers who have excellent control over their movements and are very skilled in their chosen activity. It can also be used more generally to describe someone who is self-assured and capable in a variety of situations. Overall, being footsure is seen as a desirable quality that indicates a person's competence and confidence.